This project is amazing. We are going to build a small-scale car engine with all the realistic part. Inside the box, we find the instruction manuals and heavy pieces and tools neatly organized. Let's start with assembling the alternator. This shaft is completely made of metal and is part of engine's crankshafts. We'll install this bearing and a few metal clips on the ends, and then place into the engine's crankcase. Each part of the engine housing will be secured with L-type screws, and we need to be very careful here, since some of the metal components are delicate. Inside, we'll insert this 6-volt DC motor. It's actually a geared motor that operates at low speed but provides excellent torque. This housing go on the top part, and we'll secure them with side screws. This is the lower side cover of the engine crankcase. It's the piece that prevents the lubricating oil from leaking out, and this other part is part of the exhaust system. This engine has two of them, one on each side. At this stage, it's important to secure the motor wires. What we'll do is route them through the inside and bring them out from the bottom of the engine. This way, we can continue with the assembly without any issues. We continue with the installation of the cooling water pump and the alternator. This is the accessory belt, and we'll place it around the 3 pulleys, applying a bit of pressure or tension. This is the air filter, and this installation is simple. We just need to place it on top of the intake pipe and apply a bit of pressure to secure it. To finish the assembly, we'll add this base, which serves as the power source. Inside, it has two AA batteries that provide enough energy to run our engine. Additionally, there are 4 long screws that act as support for the motor. Now, we'll connect the wires and turn on the power source. And here we have our functional test. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.